We are living in times of countless tasks, customers to serve, sales to make, meetings with partners, presentation of services, answering emails. Every day we have 25 hours of work for 24 hours of availability. We want a vacation, we want a break, we want to dedicate time to those hobbies we are putting aside. We want to take a break. If you are one of the 99% of people who are looking for a solution to this situation, I have some very good news for you. You can delegate the tedious and repetitive tasks. You can use your time to be more productive and also gain free time. Hello, my name is Fabian and I am here to serve you. Will you allow me to help you? Let me help you with those tasks that spend your time. Do you need to send notes to your clients, contact appointments, respond to mails, some transcription, search for information on the internet? I can gently support you. Use my services and gain time to invest it in the moments that make you happy.